Rebel Canners, teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. We all can use a little bit more of the old ways these days. So what are we doing today, Becca?
We are stripping some rusty cast iron pans. We've got our cast iron pans in our tote. We're going to soak them in half vinegar, half water, because that is what the internet recommended to do. So we're going to try it out today. Our cast irons are looking a little rusty, as you can tell, as evidenced by this. They've sat in a shed and gotten a little rusty, so we're going to see about soaking them down and cleaning them up a little bit to re-season them and use them in our kitchen.
I cannot stand to watch a cast iron at a garage sale. I can't leave it there. We just got the cheapest vinegar we could, which is great value. That one's cleaning vinegar because that was cheaper, but we're diluting it, so it doesn't matter. And that
is just regular vinegar.
Just regular. Ooh, it smells like pickles.
Mm-hmm. I have a feeling the whole house is going to smell like pickles.
Yeah.
Before it's done.
And because we're doing such a huge batch, we did get 3 gallons. We put the water in before we add more of those, just in case. We don't need that much, but definitely. And you dilute it 50-50?
Yes. We're trying it. That's what we're trying. One jug of water going in.
We got Dutch oven, an extra lid, large frying pans, small frying pans. You've got a nice haul of cast iron from your secret source.
Yes, I did.
I think we're going to need that 3rd gallon.
Oh, definitely.
But that's what happens when you're doing so many at once. If this doesn't work, we'll try the electrolysis method.
There we go.
That's where you put an electric stove in a bucket.
I know what it is, but electricity scares me, so.
Electricity and water together scare me. There goes the 3rd gallon in. We're just going to have to rotate them in here.
Yep, that's what I'm guessing. So I think if we put too much more in, it'll be too heavy to move up.
Yeah. That's just 48 pounds of liquid, not even counting all the cast iron in here.
I know.
All right, and then how long do we let this soak?
About a half an hour.
All right, on each side.
Yep.
Half an hour on each side.
So it's been about a half an hour. We're gonna kind of roll these around in here a little bit. See if we can get some different spots wet. And it's soaking.
I want to just take a cup and dip some over top of some of these spots that haven't got, like this here hasn't got wet at all yet.
I probably will eventually. I'm probably going to take some of the ones that aren't so bad out and start scrubbing them here in a minute.
Okay. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. Needs seasoning, definitely.
Oh yeah.
The rust is gone. I like that little pan.
That looks like a flaw. So we took a little bit of baking soda. Supposed to be some of it in the pan and scrubbed it all down. Scrubbing the back side of it.
A little safer than oven cleaner. I know people that take oven cleaner to them, but this is a little less toxic to the environment.
And to all of the people who live in the home.
Yeah.
And animals, if you can hear them.
I mean, these are not, you know, fancy cast iron, but
No. They do have nice wooden handles that will restore, but
yeah. So nice. All right. And in this series of nice. Ooh. Ooh. That's a toe biter.
alright, so we've got our olive oil. We're gonna
You can use any kind of cooking oil or fat, but today is olive oil. We're gonna do the whole pan, inside and out, all the creases, cracks and crevices.
and then I'm going to put them face down in an oven. Right now it's cooled, and I'll turn it on when I'm done oiling all my pans and sticking them all in there. So we got all our pans in the oven. They're all greased and ready to go.
Face down.
Face down.
What are you setting it at?
400.
400. And how long?
For an hour.
1 hour. See part 2 for how these pieces turned out and how I'm going to restore the wooden handles. Check out my chicken cobbler recipe in my campfire cooking playlist. Have a great day, Rebel Canners. If you like my content, please hit the like button so I know to make more of this type of video. Thank you, Rebel Canners.